Okay, so this is a very basic introduction to HTML and just using it inside your browser to preview and editing inside of a text editor. Okay, so hypertext markup language. I'm using Ubuntu 14.04, but most of this is going to apply on Windows and Mac and anything else. So there's a couple text editors we can use to start writing HTML. We can use the gedit, which is inside here. So if I open that up and I start typing, we need an HTML tag first, okay? And you can see some of the basic tags here. We need an HTML tag for the document, a start tag, and an end tag. So we need /HTML. We're also going to need a head tag, head, and to end the head here like that with a slash. Inside the head is where we can put the title. So, title is going to define what actually appears in the little tab up here. So, for now, I'll just put first HTML page. Okay. The next thing we have is the body, which is going to go like this. And /body, which is going to go like this. Now, the nice thing about gedit is it's going to do highlighting for you, but it's not going to do that until you save it. So we got to go to save. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I'm going to save it as my first HTML page.html. You have to use .html. It's also very good not to use spaces. You know, you can put dashes between your words like this. Use capital letters. You can use underscore, but you don't want to have any spaces in your file. It creates all kinds of problems. Okay, I'm going to save this. And now I have highlighting. My tags are green, and my content is going to be black. Okay, cool. Yeah. So, inside the body is where you're going to write, this is the body of the document. Okay, so it's going to be very boring right now. We're going to save that. Now we want to see what it actually looks like. So we're going to go to the file, which I saved on my desktop here. Okay, and I'm just going to right click and open with Firefox, or in this case I want to open it with Google Chrome. Okay, so it looks like this. Very simple. It says my first HTML page, so this comes up here, and the body of the document comes up here. Now, if you want to use a different editor than this, gedit, if you're not using Ubuntu or another version of Linux, but you are using Google Chrome, you can use Google's text editor, which is actually pretty good. So you go to the Google Chrome store. If you don't know how to find this, you can search for Chrome apps, and it'll be the first thing that comes up. And then you just search for text, and the first result should be right here, this. Okay, and you want to install that. Might take a few seconds, and then you launch it. Okay. Okay, so once your text editor comes up, it's going to look like this. Now you need to open your HTML document in it. So you can click and drag it inside, okay? Or if you don't want to do that, which that's actually just going to copy it, so we want to actually open it. So now we're going to open the app again, and we're going to click open, navigate to the desktop, and open. And here it is, same highlighting situation, the green here and all that. Okay, so you can have this here, and if I on Windows and on the Ubuntu Unity desktop, you can put your documents like this side by side by clicking and dragging them to the corners, and then you can make changes. My first document, I can add more. Here is some more content. Save. Go back over here, refresh, and then there's my extra content right there. And you can just go back and forth. It's a very nice way. Of course, this is only saving locally. Then you're going to want to back up this document onto your Google Drive. Okay, thanks.